What's up guys, Shamil here, new water glass, working on the 2016 Lexus RC F Sport series, and I cut this glass out with a WRD orange bat. Easy cut, very simple to use, little tricky in the beginning, but after a few tries it's very easy, very basic. Gets the glass like this out with no scratches. I'm gonna set this with Proset. I got my Proset setup. Proset every set. I love this tool. Even a small car like this, very light windshield, still I use a Proset. And today it's December, a little chilly. I'm gonna use Express 30 Dow urethane. In the cold weather it works great. And talking about the cold weather, I have this red jacket on me, hoodie, zip up hoodie that I got from Amazon, and this is a heated Milwaukee jacket. This thing is great. I've been using it for a few days now. It's cold, but it keeps me warm. It has a heater in the front, heater in the back, and there's a battery pack right here. It uses a 12-volt battery. Keeps you warm. I use this sleeveless jacket to put over it so my body's warm in a cold weather like this, 36 degrees. I love it. Keeps me warm. I don't have to worry about being cold. And if you're in the cold states, you know how it is. It's uncomfortable. You want to get the job done faster, so you start running faster, and then it ends up sometimes you're making a mistake. But if you're warm and cozy, you'll enjoy your job more. So definitely recommend getting this. I'm gonna put a link in the description below. Check it out. Buy it from Amazon. They have red, black. They have a hoodie. It's like this one, the zip up hoodie, regular hoodie. They have a jacket. They have a sleeveless jacket. I saw the one they had there with the pocket warm hand warmers. I don't know what they're called. You put your hands in there, it warms up your hands. I just want to go very basic with the zip up hoodie because that's what I wear when I work. I wear a hoodie and this, but additional heat is always good. So this is prime. I'm gonna be just waiting a little bit. I'm gonna go get the glue, apply the urethane, and install this windshield. Thank you for watching guys, and check out the description below for all the information on the products that I'm using.